Okay, so I'm using Format Factory. They have this ability to this function that enables you to record videos. So in the previous video, I had done the running of this these basic imports for the libraries that we want to use. So after importing them, you need to go and I pointed out that you need to run this VADA lexicon by running this script. So if you run it, you'll be able to install this. But in this case, I can run it, but it will take some time. So it will tell you that it's actually running this item, or it's updating it. But in my case, I've already downloaded it before, so you find that it's already there. So you have to run this Twitter APIs again, like in the previous video where I had shown you how to run this. So this is the one that I had run before. So I had just tried to encrypt it, kinda encrypt it, so that at least you won't see it. So in this case, I've also deleted some of the items, and I've added this jumbled words so that at least it remains private to me. So in this case, after installing this, after running this APIs, I've also managed to tie them, to bind them to these API authenticators and OAuth access generation tokens, access token generations. So this is what we have, and here you don't need to do it twice. But if you find the need of doing it twice, you can. But well, in my own case, I just done it subconsciously. You know, when you're coding, sometimes you just do things without without taking much testing. So in this case, with the segment analysis, so what we've decided is that we need to make something that is actually interactive. And again, we need to do a shout out towards datascience.com for the great work that they're doing in making that education accessible. So yeah, here you need to come and run this code. So once you've clicked on it, it will give you a chance to enter a keyword or a hashtag. So in this case, I'm trying to think of the hashtag that I can do. Okay, since we are in the middle of pandemic, let's do a lockdown. So we are going to query for the sentiments of people. Now, the difference between this project that I'm doing, the one that I'm showing you right now, and the one that I've shown you earlier, is that with this one, it allows you to it's interactive, so you can put whatever you want, the keyword that you want to search. So you can search for the name of, you can use the name of the person, or you can use a hashtag, so, or a certain keyword. So in this case, we're going to talk about lockdowns, which is a hashtag by most people, and then we also have to do analysis depending on the number of tweets that we want. So we can write as many tweets as you want, but in this case, I could have said 100, I could have said 1,000, but the other time that I've read 1,000 tweets, I had to go in bath, and I went for a bath, and then I came back and it was still running. So in this case, let's just work with okay, let's say 250. Maybe let's work with 250. So you come here and then you check. When you see here, when you have a star here, it means that your code is still running in Jupyter Notebooks. Or you can come and look here. You can check here. It shows you this clock, the old clock system, where when time is moving, it means something is happening. So in this case, we need to just wait for some time and wait for it to capture as many tweets as it can from the internet. So while it's still doing this, let me just find my charger and boom, before I even found my charger, we are done. We've managed to capture tweets. So we need to see the total number of tweets that we've extracted from the internet. So you come here on this part, and then we want to check the number of tweets. So if you run this, the total number of tweets that we've managed to get about the lockdown, about the hashtag lockdown, with 250, and the positive ones are 101, and the negative ones were just only 50, and then the neutral ones are 99. So you can actually say that it's actually something that we can actually rely on in the case that it's able to extract as many tweets from internet. So the first one was doing from a particular person, and this one now is doing it for a hashtag. So with this in mind, we now need to create a pie chart, for example, to see the number of to visualize this in a graph. So using a pie chart, we've been able to actually see that we have 40% representing the positive ones, and then blue represented by 39.6%, and then red representing the negative ones, which is 20%. So already this is a technique that when someone is looking at this, they can clearly see that already the pie that is or the area, the shaded area that is representing the negative ones is a little bit lesser than the rest, or is at least twice. We need twice of those to reach to the other pies. So with this, we can also try to get the tweets about lockdown. So when we click here, you see some people like this making the tweets. Let's just find if we can see something with that. It looks like we can't find it. So yeah, this is Twitter. Anyone is entitled to tweet whatever they want. So if we could actually be able to see the longer part of it, we could have actually seen the tweets. So with that in mind, I mean the full tweets. So with that in mind, we I think we've reached to the end of this. On this one, I was still working to create a word cloud, but for some reasons, I had to leave it before I go any further. For some reasons, where time couldn't allow me to do this, but you can tune in for the next video. You can actually see the word cloud, but I had already shown you what a word cloud is and how to represent it in a word cloud. So I think with this, we've come to the end of our presentation for now. You can tune into this channel for a lot of other projects about this Twitter sentiments, or you can also find other things about data analytics for as long as I can post for you guys. So I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing. So this was group number 11, which was actually doing a Twitter sentiment analysis. And the first one, I've named it interactive for the sake that we are able to interact with this. So even if you change the name and the number of tweets that you want, it will also affect whatever we have. So basically, this is what we have, and I would like to thank you for viewing.